Hello, Ladarian here. I understand the video just started, but I'm gonna answer a few questions. First question. Why is this guy wearing a suit in the bathroom? Good question. The answer to that is... Next question.
Why it took you so long to make a video?
Because I was fucking your mom.
Hey man, I'ma kick you.
Anyway, I made this video for you. Not him, not her, not this, not that, not E.T.'s finger, but you. I decided to write a book on making your life easier and smoother called Living Your Own Life. While writing Living Your Own Life, I decided to live in your own life. Wait, why is Living Your Own Life? Live in your own life. Sorry, I got think how to... Sorry for the difficulties. Anywho, do you do what everybody else do? Do you do what everybody else say? Well, this book is for you. I remember I used to be like that. But after I wrote this book, I became a whole different person. For instance, there was times I used to be on the phone with a female. Before I wrote my book, I was like this. Yeah, you was looking good today. Thank you. Okay. Hey, I was wondering if we can... Hold on, okay? Alright. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Oh yeah, what you was saying now? Oh yeah, I was wondering if we can... Call me back in 5 minutes, alright? Alright. Dang, what you want? You so aggravating. Well, you told me to call you back in 5. See there? Living the other person's life. But after my book... Oh yeah, I was wondering if we can... Call me back in 5 minutes, alright? Bitch. There's a female who bought my book. Now, before my book, this was her. Ever since she got them someones, I see that she been getting all the dudes. What's up, everybody? I got my sew-in. Who the fuck told you to get sew-in? Anybody wear no sew-ins no more? I'm about to rip that ass, bitch. What the fuck? Yeah, the sew-in. More like a sew what? After my book, this was her. Ever since she got that sew-in, she been getting all the dudes. Nah, I'll go with my own style. What's up, everybody? I got the Jerry curl.
Oh, shit raw as fuck to me.
See there? Living our own life. For the people who don't like reading books, well, guess what? There's good news. It's only a one-page book. Here's the first sentence.
Fuck everybody and...
You have to buy the book to read the rest. Here's how you order.
You can order this book by calling 1-800-SHIT-DEAD. You really think you can order this book with your lame ass? Matter of fact, if you call this number, I'ma trace your ass down, come to your house, knock on your door, wait for you to open the door, you open the door, I'ma flame you from head to toe, punch you in the stomach, you hit the ground, I look you in the eyes while you scream, oh no, please stop, what did I do? Then I kick you in the jaw, spit on your face, spit on your porch, drive around the block, punch you in the stomach again, drive around the block again, come to your house, knock on your door again, punch you in the face, walk off, drive the fuck off. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Order now! And that's only half of the stuff I gotta say. What? Cinnamon. Oh, okay. Alright, hold on, I got you. Yep. That's a cinnamon challenge for your ass. Oh, I'm guessing you thought that I was gonna choke myself half to death for your amusement. Nah, I don't like the way that sounds. So, how about you do it? And if you're mad that I didn't do it, well... Live in your own life.